200-watt luggage type laser cleaning machine. The machine is highly integrated and have a very compact appearance. Open the suitcase. Please read the operating instructions carefully before using the machine and wear laser protective glasses. Do not point the laser gun head at people. Connect the power cable. Turn on the machine. Adjust the corresponding parameters according to the actual situation. If need to use focus holder, fix it on the head of the laser gun with 2 screws. Put the 2 wheels on the cleaning surface, let the gun has a 45-degree angle with the cleaning surface, laser spark the brightest, the right focus distance. When you start to use the laser cleaner, please remove the protective cover of the cleaning head first. Rust removal. The rust removal effect is very good. Paint removal. The speed of laser cleaning is determined by the thickness of the paint and will not harm the substrate material. Remove the oxide layer. The laser-marked pattern on the metal surface can be removed with a laser cleaning machine. After finished working, please follow the above rules.